two 30 kilowatts high-power laser systems in less than 2 years. Why did UK-based Toomers choose Bodor again? Toomers Ltd, established in 1982, is a leading UK structural steel fabricator operating over 60,000 square feet of production space. With 4 decades of expertise in high-precision metal fabrication, the company has consistently supported the rapid development of the UK's construction, infrastructure, and energy sectors. In 2024, they adopted our P4 30 kilowatts high-power laser system, achieving high-speed thick plate cutting and 24/7 reliability. By late 2025, impressed by performance, they repeated with the advanced P6 30 kilowatts, boosting automation and production capacity. Behind this trust is our proven delivery strength. Over 1,500 laser machines shipped per month. From order scheduling and assembly to global shipment, every step optimized for speed and precision. Large-scale manufacturing. On time. Every time.
Bodor, dare to dream.